Preston, I'm not playing with you. Go. Zach, get your bird. You're a bad boy. You go get on the couch over there. Why are you coming over here messing with me? You're a bad boy. Go. Preston, I'm not playing with you. You're not biting hold of me. What? Stop. You're bad. Get back over there with your dad. Get back over there with your dad. You're a bad boy. You're not going to do anything. Get back over there with your dad. Go tell him right now. You go get on your own couch. Go get on your... What the hell is wrong with you? You go get... No! You go... Go get on your... Man, you be nice. Get on your own couch. Man, you are such a faker. Your dad